The katakata between Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki and the Deputy Right Honorable Philip Shaibu don't tie another wrapper as the Edo South senatorial candidate of the All Progressive Congress Honorable Valentine Asuen, where people sabi as DVD, wey be oil and gas businessman, don't talk say the Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu they use im position as oga dem take dey oppress and suffocate people for the oil and gas business. Honorable Asuen yarn this one for one to talk with our Tory person Nosa Ege. A constant talk saying that the Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu caused the fight between the Governor of Edo State Godwin Obaseki and the former Governor of Edo State Comrade Adams Oshomole. Asuen conchuk mouth on how the Deputy Governor takes seized 2 of him trucks and how he paid 6 million naira to the Deputy Governor make it for releasing trucks.
During the heat of my senatorial election, Philip Shaibu go my petrol station. Go arrest 2 of my trucks. We park for the side of my petrol station. I remember in a federal road for Benin. I come to look for people who will help me beg them. At the end of the day, Philip collected 6 million naira from me. Say my truck parked for right of way. I foresee from my own personal opinion that one day, comrade, when be say get conscience, when love Edo people, and our governor, Godwin Obaseki, they're not going to look their personal pains. They're not going to look at their personal interest. They will look at the interest of Edo. So come together on the round table, eyeball to eyeball, talk to themselves. Now when we say they don't identify their common enemy. Now when we say they don't know the treacherous character when come in between them.
As the matter play for social media, it can reach the Deputy Governor Philip Shaibu ears where come make and respond sharply through in Chief Press Secretary Musa Ebohana. Shaibu can talk say Asuen a failed and frustrated politician and say na small pikin they do and wait take pick this time to come out come pour oil in bitterness for innocent man head. Shaibu through in CPS Musa Consti talk say Valentine Asuen they talk anyhow and in they use ethnic card and family background they play when the real matter they one side. Con talk say make them ask Asuen why be say na this time he choose to cry come out and say whether the 6 million naira when he saying give the deputy, whether he pay on to the personal account of Shaibu or na into Edo State coffers. A consti say made them ask Asuen whether na only in truck then seized that day and whether N6m, Puvov, Edo State Security Network and the police no dey there when them seize in trucks. A consti say all these questions na in them supposed ask Valentine Asuen. Una go remember say Edo State government set up committee wey include N6m, Puvov, Edo State Security Network and the police to dey do check for the roads where big motor dey park anyhow wey dey cause hold up and go slow, especially for way, Oluku by 7up, Agbo Road by Guinness and the popular Sapele Road by Obe. Now this one come make the Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice Oluwole Iyamu San wey be the chairman of that committee with the heads of all the security agencies wey join body for this committee come carry waka go do their assignments on behalf of the state and them not target anybody in particular or group of persons. For in talk with Tory people, Shaibu contact said the way them big motors they park for roads they against the state road use and regulations and say if you check and well you go see say them don't destroy road gutters finish and this one go cause serious erosion wahala for the areas.
And see the damage that parking of these trucks have caused to this very place. And also you don't park trucks in areas where it will be dangerous or harmful to people living around. These are explosive. These are things that can easily inflame. It's a spark of fire. They can easily explode. And gas pipeline is also here. And you can see how reinforced this concrete is. And even with the reinforcement, you can see the damage parking these trucks here. Here is not a truck garage where you park trucks. And when you check at the black oil on the quota, you will see that this is something that has been here for a long time. It has become a parking place for all these trucks. That is not acceptable. This damage, the Attorney General is in charge of evaluating what has happened here, and he's going to be having meetings with those that are responsible, and obviously they will reel out what we want to do here and to also avert similar problem in other roads. We are making all efforts to build drain in all our roads to avoid flooding. And when government builds these things, it's our own responsibility to maintain them and make sure that they are not damaged.
From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele. TMC TV News.